Hey, this is Randy.
And I'm Alyssa.
SantaFeFord.com, the used car superstore near Gainesville, Florida. I-75 exit 399. Right now, I want you to stay tuned. Alyssa's going to give us a closer look at one of our used vehicles.
Here we have a 2018 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. This vehicle has alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, and a keypad door lock. For more information about this vehicle, you can visit us online at SantaFeFord.com to view the Carfax. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the inside. Here's a quick look at the inside. The seats are a tan leather, and both driver and passenger seats are powered and can be heated. It has powered windows, locks, and mirrors. Here's a quick look at the dash. The steering wheel has Bluetooth, media, and cruise control settings. The media center features an LCD touchscreen which displays the backup camera and sensor. It has AM and FM radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and a USB port for more media options. This vehicle also has HomeLink. Now let's take a look into the back. And here's a quick look at the back seat. Here's a look at the cargo area. The seats fold down for more space, and this vehicle has a remote trunk release. And under the hood, it has a 2-liter i4 engine. For more information about this vehicle, you can visit us online at SantaFeFord.com, or you can call the number below. Once again, my name is Alyssa. Thanks for watching.